teachers do not have time to go and hunt things down or find things. They need things right at their fingertips. And so being able to fully customize my screen not only helps increase the productivity, but it also helps me use all those tools that the kids love too. I can organize them as well. So when I'm at my panel, I actually have two screens here. So when I swipe from one to the next, you can kind of see some of the resources that I'll use with students. I see a lot of teachers in the classroom that they'll actually use the BenQ board as its own station. So the teacher will be teaching a small group, but they'll have students at the board going through one of the interactive activities. And this is a grade 1, grade 3, and grade 6 interactive activities that actually live inside of our app store. There is a BenQ App Store, and it has a lot of those different grade level interactive activities to get the kids up to the boards themselves. And then, of course, not to mention in our EasyWrite app. So when I open our digital whiteboard, we have a plethora of tools here that allow for teachers to interact with the work as well as getting students up to the board.